Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John Ahr and I'm your instructor. From time to time, I make less expensive items for clients using brass, and inevitably they write to me or call me up and say, how do I safely clean it? And I know some of you have the exact same question. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I clean brass. Generally what I do is I use Wright's brass cleaner. Now this is a very effective product and I'm going to show you how to work with it carefully. Now this product actually requires that you wear safety glasses. You don't want to get it into your eyes and you don't want it on your skin. It can be highly irritating. So you want to use chemical-proof gloves when you handle this product. Now, most kitchen gloves are going to work just fine because they actually are thick enough and resistant enough to the chemicals that are in the cleaning solutions. Now, the first thing that you need to do with the product is you need to find an inconspicuous area on the piece to test to see if it's going to clean it thoroughly. And what I mean by that is it won't clean a piece that's been lacquered to try to preserve a finish. So what I did was I went ahead and I cleaned the bottom of the feet of the bird. And as you can see, they're nice and shiny, and the little tag tells me it was made in India, but it's solid brass as well. And I can also tell that the feet were not lacquered since they cleaned up very easily. Now what you want to do is you want to use a soft cloth on the brass, and what's great about this particular product is that you don't need to let it dry and then buff it off or anything like that, and you don't need to worry about any kind of residue. The way that I deal with it is I use rags, and old socks are great, and what you can do is, number one, mix it up thoroughly. I've already done that, and you're going to take the solution and put it onto the surface of your rag. So I've got my hand in a glove inside of the sock. Now you'll see how quickly this just starts to clean the brass. Now you're going to clean it thoroughly. You may have to take a while to just rub and reapply material, and you can see that the tarnish just comes off onto your rag. So we're going to clean this whole piece up, and when we're done cleaning it, what we want to do is just rinse it off and then dry it and buff it to a shine. Now, a couple other things that you need to think about when you're doing this is you want to work in a well-ventilated area, and you don't want kids or pets to get into this product. All right, so you can see how quickly this is cleaning up. So I'm going to finish cleaning it, and when I'm done, I'll rinse it off, dry it, and I'll show you the results. When you're done cleaning the piece, you want to thoroughly rinse it with water and then take a soft cloth and dry it completely so that you don't have any spotting on it, and look at the results. Now, what I was saying before about this product is great because it doesn't leave any residue. You can see like in these recessed areas, there's no cream paste residue left behind like those old-fashioned cleaners do. And it's thoroughly clean. I don't see any area that wasn't completely cleaned by the product. It's one of the reasons why I like it so much. Now, the gloves can be washed and used again, but I would recommend that if you're going to do a lot of cleaning of brass, like a big series of jewelry or other elements in your home, you may want to invest in some better gloves, ones that are rated for handling chemicals. Now, this product, by the way, like I said, it's good for other metals as well. And here's a dirty old piece of pewter. And I just wanted to show you that this product will clean pewter. Now, normally people don't really want to clean pewter in their home, but it will take the tarnish off of pewter items and restore them to a newish sort of look to them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It should help you to really clean up your brass and your jewelry pieces for your clients. There are many more videos like this one on our playlist at onlinejewelryacademy.com. And don't forget that we have 2 great courses on udemy.com. You'll find the links and the discount codes to those courses in the description to this video. Thanks for watching.